In this video, we are going to take a look at one of our champion homes, the Model 6012. The 6012 is loaded with features and has an incredibly low price at just around $65 a square foot. As you can see here in the floor plan, the 6012 is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2,012 square foot home. This home can be built either as a manufactured home or a modular home. There are a number of options you can take out of this home if you need something even more affordable. There are also a number of options that you can option into this home if you are looking for something with even more great features. There are also a number of different exterior options to this home as well. For pricing information, please call one of our 3 locations. Our location information and phone numbers can be found on our website at KentuckyDreamHomes.com. Prices do vary a little based on each customer's location, freight, state regulations, taxes, and a few other factors. This home really does have some incredible features. The wood accent beams and the barn doors in this home are treated by first burning them and then applying a chestnut stain. This kitchen is not only very large, but is also very functional and loaded with upgrades. From the large island with rustic overhead chandelier to the beautiful cabinets, chef's sink, loads of counter space, and upgraded appliances, and so much more, this kitchen really is amazing. Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content about manufactured and modular homes and for more great home tours. Also, please let us know what you like about this home or what you would like to add to this home in the comments section below. We love hearing your feedback. Champion Homes was founded in 1953 in Michigan. They have been producing homes in Tennessee since 1968. That is over 52 years of home building experience at the plant where this home is produced. Champion now has 28 manufacturing plants producing manufactured and modular homes and over 53,000 employees, including a plant in Tennessee where this home is built and also a plant in Benton, Kentucky as well. Champion Homes has built over 2 million homes for American families. Experience really does matter, and we here at Kentucky Dream Homes are very proud to have been a partner with Champion Homes for many years now, producing high-quality, affordable homes for our customers and their families. As we move into the master bathroom, notice the beautifully handcrafted barn doors. The marble shower you see here is made of cultured marble and is not only very beautiful, but it is also very durable. The shower also features a very low pan at the base for easy entry and exit. This home is equipped with a Zone 3 Northern Insulation Package, low E double pane insulated windows for incredible energy efficiency. This home is also equipped with a 2x6 exterior sidewall on 16-inch centers, and the floor joists are also 16 inches on center. This home is optioned with OSB wrap as well. This home can be optioned with either an energy-efficient heat pump or a gas furnace, depending on your needs. This manufactured home is not only energy efficient, but it is also very safe. Keeping your family safe is something that we here at Kentucky Dream Homes take very seriously. We install all of our homes to handle more straight-line winds than your typical site-built home. For more information on manufactured homes and storms, please see our YouTube video on this very topic. If you would like to special order one of our 6012 homes, there are a number of options you can choose from and a number of color options as well. You can choose all of your own colors on the inside and outside of the home. These color choices include, but are not limited to, siding, shutters, roof shingles, interior flooring, cabinets, countertops, and wall paint. As far as different options go, you can upgrade or downgrade a lot of different options to meet your budget. You can select different siding, roofing, flooring, cabinets, countertops, walls, appliances, faucets, and sinks in the kitchen and bathrooms. You can also upgrade to even more insulation on top of our already included Zone 3 Northern Insulation Package, and there are a number of different flooring options such as laminate or tile. There are also a number of different appliance packages available. You can also select different exteriors to this home. You can get this home with a different roof pitch, you can add a dormer. There are different exterior features you can select or remove, or you can upgrade the siding to something different as well. If you are currently renting and would like to invest in your own home and stop wasting money on rent, or if you are living in an older home and would like to upgrade to something that will save you money every month on your utility bills and maintenance, take a look at what a manufactured home can do for you. We have actually seen several cases where a customer that comes from an older home that is poorly insulated can actually save more money by getting into a new home due to their extremely high utility bills. That's right, in some cases, if you have an extremely high utility bill, buying a new home might be less than staying in your older home and wasting all that money on high utility bills. There are also several tax-saving benefits to owning a new home that might also make it much more affordable for you to purchase a new home. We have a large variety of different homes at different quality and different price levels at Kentucky Dream Homes. We like to say at Kentucky Dream Homes, we have a home for everyone. We will help you find the right home for you that will also fit your budget. Due to the incredible value of manufactured and modular homes, there are nationwide lenders financing almost any credit score, and financing options in many cases are far faster and easier on a manufactured home. You can now fill out an online credit application on our website. Please visit us online at KentuckyDreamHomes.com or come by one of our 3 locations and walk through some of our incredible homes. We now service 5 states including Kentucky, Indiana, Illinois, Tennessee, and Missouri. For pricing information, please call one of our 3 locations. Our location information and phone numbers can be found on our website at KentuckyDreamHomes.com. Prices do vary a little based on each customer's location, freight, state regulations, taxes, and a few other factors. So let us help you find your dream home. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content about manufactured and modular homes, and for more great home tours. To see more of our great home tours, click on the link on the screen now, and go to our YouTube channel for more information on manufactured and modular homes. At Kentucky Dream Homes, we guarantee the lowest price, we are family owned and operated, and we believe in treating all of our customers like family. Thank you for shopping with Kentucky Dream Homes.